fucking delivery. 2 bags of potato chips. They had some other shit on the list, but items were unavailable. Let's make this right, and then our destination is on the right. I'm not getting out this vehicle. So they can cancel that shit. Definitely not getting out this fucking vehicle. I'm not getting out this fucking car. Let me call this customer, let them know they can come outside and get me potato chips. Because I'm not getting out this car. All right, y'all. $2.76 earned. Call this customer real quick. Matter of fact, you know what? Fuck it. I'll go ahead and get out. It's my last fucking delivery today. First and fucking last. I promise you that shit. Your fucking door, but you don't want to tip. I'm sorry, motherfucking people. I'm sick of this bullshit. Get your fucking door. There you go. Let's get this shit done. Left there.